Hi, my name is Megan. I work for MTV Transport under the PS Logistics umbrella, and I oversee our intern Power BI project. This project is an extremely great experience for all of our interns to be able to learn a program that they've never learned before, get experience with it, and be able to take that with them down their career, wherever their career takes them. Like I said, it's an experience.
Put that one.
No,
there.
it's supposed to
move
go.
this
No,
right there.
it's supposed to go right there.
Yeah, I would say we're making great progress. Took us a little bit, but we finally figured out how to use Power IB. I would definitely.
It's Power BI.
Anyways, I really just hope Molly's presenting because I have no idea what we're doing.
They said that? Yeah, so I just got put with those guys. I just sit there and listen to them argue about whether it's called Power BI or Power IB. And then I just have to call IT every time we meet because they don't know how to turn the screen on. So it's been really interesting.
I can't get it on the screen. I can't get it on the screen.
It's just, oh, it's on. Now they're coming. Oh my God.
Thankfully, we have an awesome IT group here that can help troubleshoot problems and get us up and running as fast as possible.